मूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि अज्ञानतिमिरान्तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति।
Good morning, all of you. Jai Gurudev. Namaste. Namaste, all of you. Good morning. So last time what we have learning about what? Do you remember? Sarvanam. Yes, we have learned about Sarvanam. Sarvanam pronoun. Yes. So the words which we are using in the place of noun we call pronoun. The words which we are using in the place of noun, what we call pronoun. So last time we have seen many examples and many words which are pronoun words. Yes. One minute. एक कौन सा क्लास है? लास्ट साधना को फोन करो और बोलो ना यहाँ पे आने। आई है? Yes. Okay. Fine. So let's start. Let's start the some exercise. Okay, we are going to do some more. We are going to see some more examples of sarvanam pronoun. What? Speak in English. What?
Ma'am,
Hello?
assignment, no writing, ma'am.
No writing.
Correction, ma'am.
Kamakshi, what is your doubt? What correction you want?
Ma'am, assignment paper, no correction, ma'am.
It is corrected everything. If you have any doubts, you just talk to your class teacher. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So just give me 1 minute. Sadhna ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
4A.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so today we are going to play some games related to pronoun. Okay? I'm going to share the whiteboard. First, we will see some examples. Pronoun is the words which are which we have used in the place of noun. Okay? So here I am writing मैं अच्छी लड़की, मैं अच्छी लड़की हूँ, मैं अच्छी लड़की हूँ. I am a good girl. So, अच्छी means what? Do you know what is the meaning of अच्छी? We have learned this word. Good, very good. अच्छी means what? Good. So, अच्छी is a visheshan in this sentence. Okay. Ladki means girl. Main means I. Who? I am, you can say. I am a good girl. मैं अच्छी लड़की हूँ. So what is a pronoun in the sentence? सर्वनाम क्या है इस वाक्य में? Yes, इस वाक्य में सर्वनाम क्या है? Yes, Vaishnavi, very good. All of you, I want answers in chat box. Come on. Everyone. Yes. Weekend morning, you have to be fresh because 2 days you are getting rest. Yes. Come on, everyone. I want answers from each and everyone in the chat box. Yes, I, मैं. What is the pronoun? मैं. मैं means I. That is a pronoun. Next. So let's play some game. Yes, everyone is ready to play some games? Yes? Okay, very good. Superb. So I'm going to write some sentence here. तुम यहाँ आओ. तुम यहाँ आओ. The sentence is तुम यहाँ आओ. You come here. तुम यहाँ आओ. You come here. So now how we are going to play the game? I will give numbers to each and every word. Okay? And you have to put that number in chat box identifying the pronoun. I will give each word one number and you have to select the correct number by identifying the pronoun. So this is आओ 3 number, तुम 2 number, यहाँ 1 number. Now you have to write correct number which is pronoun in this word or in this sentence. आपको क्या करना है? एक नंबर चूज करना है जो इस वाक्य में सर्वनाम है. यस, तो सही सर्वनाम आपको पहचानना है. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट प्रोनाउन. You have to identify the pronoun. Yes, I'm getting many answers. Superb. It's number 2. Tum. Very good. Tum means what? You. Tum means what? You. Tum yaha means here. Aao means come. You come here. Tum yaha aao. So tum is a what? Sarvanam. Very good. Now let's play some with another sentence. मेरे पिताजी घर में है. मेरे पिताजी घर में है. My father is at home. So I will give the numbers. For घर 3, for me 2, for है 1, मेरे 4 and पिताजी 5. Give the correct number for the correct pronoun. सर्वनाम शब्द को पहचान कर उसका नंबर बताइए चैट बॉक्स में. Yes, I'm getting answers. Only once you have to write. Okay, only one time you have to write so I can see how many are participating in the game. How many are participating in the classwork activity? Yes? Wonderful. Those who are writing answers in chat box, clap for yourself. Very good. Super. Wonderful. That means you're doing hard work and you are ready to learn this language. Yes? You are taking efforts by participating, showing your participation in the classroom games and activities. Very good. I like it. Super. And the correct answer is 4. Mere means my. Pitaji means father. Yes, Pitaji means father. Ghar means home. Mein means in. Is. My father is at home or in home. Okay? So the mere is the correct answer. The star, those who have answered in chat box. Either that is wrong, right, but your participation is really very important and valuable. Now the next sentence. मुझे एक छोटा भाई है. मुझे एक छोटा भाई है. मुझे एक छोटा भाई है. Okay.
Yes, dear. So in this sentence, wait a minute. So in this sentence, what happened? Mujhe, yes. Suprita ma'am, please stop sharing, ma'am. Yeah, Suprita ma'am, can you please stop sharing? Yeah, so I will write here. I will continue. मुझे एक छोटा भाई है. So in this sentence, now which is the pronoun? Yes, I'm going to put the numbers. Number 1, bhai. Number 2, chota. Number 3, mujhe. Number 4, ek. So yes, I want answers in chat box quickly. Yes, which is the pronoun in this sentence? Very good. I am getting the answers. Very good. Mujhe means I. Yes, for I we say my, I, मैं also, मुझे also, मेरा also. Everything is I only. In Hindi, only in English there is only one word for my. Yes. So for I and mujhe means also I. I have one small brother. The meaning of the sentence. So bhai means brother. Chota means small. Ek means one. Mujhe means I. Yes. So the meaning. Now the next sentence I'm going to write. Very good for the active participation, dears. So the next sentence I'm going to write now. So, मेरे पास 2 किताबें हैं. मेरे पास 2 किताबें हैं. So, in this sentence, you have to identify the pronoun. So, now I'm going to put the number. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Yes. Very good. Quick answers I am getting from everyone. Very nice. A very quick answers. Very good, dears. So mere means I have 2 books. Yes, मेरे पास 2 किताबें हैं. Past means I have 2. 2 means 2. किताबें means book. The plural form. Yes, किताब किताबें हैं. Yes, I have 2 books. So the meaning in English and Hindi will totally change. Yes, you can't compare both the language. In this language the I is in front. Yes, you can't compare like that. So they are totally different. The grammar is totally different for both the languages. So मेरे पास 2 किताबें हैं. I have 2 books. Very good. So मेरे is a pronoun in this
Ma'am.
sentence. Very good.
Ma'am, pronoun one more time. Explain, ma'am.
You want pronoun definition? One more time? Yes, what is your doubt? You want to you want to teach pronoun definition again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Yes. So pronoun means sarvanam. Pronoun means sarvanam. And definition, a pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. So pronoun is a word. So let's see the Hindi definition first. सर्वनाम वह शब्द है जो संज्ञा के बदले में प्रयोग किया जाता है. Sarvanam is a word which is used in the place of noun. In the first like for example, सीता अच्छी लड़की है. सीता मेरे घर के पास रहती है. सीता का एक भाई है. सीता के पिता का नाम राजेश है. So in every sentence I am putting Sita, 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 Sita. So it looks odd, yes, for listening. So how we can say सीता एक अच्छी लड़की है. वह मेरे घर के पास रहती है. उसके पिताजी का नाम राजेश है. So now in the place of Sita I have used वह, उसके. So the words which we are using in the place of noun, that is a pronoun. Clear? The word which is using in the place. Yes, dear.
I have none doubt.
Yes, ask.
Yaha means what?
यह also, she also. In Hindi, यह for he or she we will use. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So for examples here they have given. So example words of pronoun. वह, यह, वे. वे means with respect when we talk about some elder person we use. Man means वह, यह means he, she.
What page?
This is not a page, dear. This is not from your book. So this is the extra portion you have in your blueprint. So this is for your assessment also. So this is not from your book. Yes, like Sangya, Visheshan,
Okay,
Sarvanam
ma'am.
is also
Okay, ma'am.
grammar parts you have to learn, not from the book. Okay. Tum means you, hum means we, usse. So these are the words which we use in the place of noun. So that words are called pronoun. While talking, reading more things in Hindi, watching more things in Hindi, you will easily understand this. Yes, now it looks somewhat very hard to you, but when you start reading sentences, so many sentences, watching TV in Hindi, cartoons and all, then you can easily grab, you will know about this, what is Sarvanam, everything, yes, sentences. So, for example, just now I have told, if there is 2-3 sentences about one person, so we can't use every time his name in all the sentences. In the first sentence only we use the name, then second we will say he, she, and then she went there. उसके पिताजी का नाम ये था, वह ये थी. Yes, वह, यह, उसका, तुम. So these words we use instead of noun words. So that is a pronoun. So here some words are given. Yes, I means मैं, he means वह, she means also वह. It is so in वह यह we use for so many words. In English there are different words for this. See, एक जंगल में एक खरगोश था. In the first sentence only, we have used the word खरगोश, that is rabbit. In the second sentence and all other sentence, we have not used the word खरगोश. We have said वह, that means he. So वह बहुत चतुर था. He is a very clever खरगोश. Yes. Yes, someone is unmuted. Please mute dear. उसके कई. Now second word we have used उसके. So he has so many friends. That means कई friends means so many friends. Then गिलहरी कबूतर and तोते से उसे प्यार था. He loves गिलहरी कबूतर, the pigeon, squirrel and parrots. He loved them. So and वह, then वह सब उससे प्यार करते थे. उनकी दोस्ती. So these are the words which we call pronoun, which is used in the place of noun in the sentence. Clear now? Yes, clear? One more example. Rahul खेल रहा है. We can say like this also. So here Rahul is a noun, but we can write the same sentence in this way also. वह खेल रहा है. वह. Now here this is a pronoun. This is a noun and this is a pronoun. So noun, pronoun. So this is the difference. The words which are used in the place of noun, that are pronoun. Everyone is clear? Any other doubts?
No doubts, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Yes, someone is asked to do the revision of pronoun again. Yes, clear, dear? Is my voice is breaking, dear? Just put in the chat box. Is my voice is breaking? Or it's clear?
Ma'am.
Clear, right?
It's not breaking, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will do some more sentences in the whiteboard and you have to identify when. Yeah, ma'am?
ऐसे ही 4 अलग अलग नाम में एक सर्वनाम डाल के वो गेम ले लीजिए.
हाँ. Yeah. So now I am going to share the whiteboard again and we will continue the game. Yes, you have to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Thank you for replying in chat box. My voice is clear. So,
Ma'am, voice slow, ma'am.
wait dear. वह अच्छी लड़की है. So in this sentence you have to identify the pronoun. So I am going to put the word numbers and you have to identify. Yes, which is the pronoun in this sentence. So you are easily identifying. Yes, so you all know it. You are understanding what is pronoun. Very good. वह अच्छी लड़की है. She is a good girl. Very good. So this is the pronoun. This is how you have to identify the pronoun. Very good. Which is used in the place of noun. We can write this sentence in one more way also. That is, Sita अच्छी लड़की है. I can write this same sentence. Sita अच्छी लड़की है. So in this sentence, Sita is a noun. And same sentence I have used, or instead of Sita, I have put Vah. So that is a pronoun. The word which is used in the place of noun, that is a pronoun. Yes, everyone is clear? Yes, so one more sentence I'm going to write. Yeah, so उसका नाम ललिता है. उसका नाम ललिता है. So now you have to identify the pronoun. Yes. Now identify the pronoun in this sentence. Very good. Very quick reply. Yes. उसका नाम ललिता है. So उसका you have used. Yes. Very good. Now the next sentence is वहां जाओ. वहां जाओ. That means go there. And now I am going to put the numbers. Yes, pronoun in this number. Very good. Yes, very quick reply I am getting. Very good. So it's very easy. Practicing more sentences, then you will easily get which is the noun, which is the pronoun, which is the adjective. Yes, everything you will easily get. Next is मैं सुबह wait a minute. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ. Yes. Now I am going to put the numbers. Pronoun in this sentence. Very good. मैं. So I, subha means morning. Jaldi means early. Udta hu means wake up. So I wake up early in the morning. The meaning of the sentence, I wake up early in the morning. Very good. So मैं is a pronoun in this sentence. Now the next sentence. मेरा भाई बहुत छोटा है. मेरा भाई बहुत छोटा है. Yes, pronoun in this sentence now. Very good. मेरा भाई. Very good. मेरा is a pronoun in this sentence. Fifth one. Yes, number 5 is the correct answer. My brother is very small. Very good. मेरा भाई बहुत छोटा है. So can you identify the adjective in this same sentence? Which is the adjective? Number, you have to write the number. Very good. I am getting the answer now only. Yes, number 3, chota. Yes. How is brother? He is a small. So chota. Very good. Number 3. So 5 is pronoun and 3 is a adjective. Very good, dear. So now you can easily identify which is noun, pronoun, adjective in the sentence. Yes. Very good. So the next sentence now, everyone get ready. वह पत्र लिख रहा है. Yes. Now the number, which number is the pronoun in this sentence? Very good, I am getting the answer. Number 3, yes, वह पत्र लिख रहा है. Very good. He is writing a letter. So वह. So we can make the sentence वह पत्र लिख रही है also. For a girl also, we can put like this. So for he and she, we use the same word sometimes, yes, in Hindi. So वह पत्र लिख रही है, we can say like that also. वह पत्र लिख रहा है, वह पत्र लिख रही है. Only the rahi will change. Yeah. Now the next one. Yeah.
Ma'am, adjective one more time. Tell ma'am.
Adjective, visheshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Adjective means which is telling about the noun. How is the noun? Which is telling the visheshta about the speciality of the noun. Which says the speciality of the noun, that is adjective here. With the example I will teach. Sita अच्छी लड़की. Yes, this is adjective, okay? Sita अच्छी लड़की है. So in this sentence, which is the noun? Yes, which is the noun? Put in a chat box. In this sentence, tell the noun. Which word is a noun? Sita. Yes, very good. So Sita is a noun here, and in the sentence, it's telling about Sita, that how is Sita? So Sita, how is Sita? Sita अच्छी लड़की है. That is the adjective in this sentence. So how is Sita? Sita is a good girl. Sita अच्छी लड़की है. So that good, अच्छी means good. That is the adjective which is telling about the noun. That is the adjective word. Some more examples I will teach you. Now, like मेरा घर बड़ा है. So now घर. So how is the house noun in this sentence? Yes, tell me. How is this house? Tell me the adjective word in this sentence. Yes, bada. How is his house? His house is big, bada. So that bada telling about, so that bada is a adjective. Bada is a adjective in this sentence. Okay. Wait, we write one more sentence. रमेश चतुर लड़का है. Yes, Ramesh चतुर लड़का है. So in this word, can you identify the noun? Which is the noun first? Tell me. Ramesh. And it's telling about Ramesh. How is Ramesh? So which is the adjective in this sentence? How is Ramesh? Chatur. So that Chatur, telling about noun, that is the adjective. So Ramesh is a clever boy. That clever, that Chatur is a adjective in this sentence, telling about the noun, giving the specialty of the noun. Yes, explaining about the noun, that is a adjective. Clear now? Yes, dear?
Ma'am. Here, ma'am.
Yes.
Here, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Wait a minute. I will write more sentences and I will ask about both. You have to identify adjective in some sentence and some sentence you have to identify the pronoun. Okay. I'm going to write the sentence. More sundar hai. So in this sentence, identify the adjective. Identify the adjective. Sundar, very good. So more is a noun in this sentence and it's explaining about the noun, telling the speciality of the noun, that is peacock is a peacock is beautiful. So that Sundar is a adjective in this sentence. We will give some simple words only, simple sentences only, okay? Because you have to small children, yes. So more Sundar hai. Peacock is beautiful. Very good. Now take the next sentence. सीता अच्छी लड़की है, उसका एक छोटा भाई है, वह मेरे घर के पास रहती है. So in this there are three sentences. सीता, the first one is सीता अच्छी लड़की है. Then उसका नाम, उसका एक छोटा भाई है. Then the third sentence is वह मेरे घर के पास रहती है. So I will change the, yeah, wait a minute. So the first sentence is सीता अच्छी लड़की है. So in this, the underlined sentence, identify the adjective. सीता अच्छी लड़की है. Identify the adjective in this sentence. विशेषण बताइए इसमें. अच्छी. Very good. So yeah, correct. So this is adjective, विशेषण. Yes. Now the next sentence. उसका एक छोटा भाई है. So wait a minute. Tell me the in first sentence which is a noun. सीता अच्छी लड़की है. In that which is a noun? Very good. सीता is a noun. Okay? Okay. Now उसका एक छोटा भाई है. So the underlined in green color, tell me which is the adjective in the same sentence, second sentence, green underlined sentence, which is the adjective. उसका एक छोटा भाई है. Very good. So I am underlining only adjective now for the now. Yes? Very good. So now in the same sentence which is in green color underline, tell me the pronoun in this sentence. उसका एक छोटा भाई है. उसका एक छोटा भाई है. Yes, tell me pronoun in this sentence. उसका एक छोटा भाई है. Which is the pronoun? उसका. Very good. So उसका is the pronoun here. Very nice. Uska is a pronoun here. उसका एक छोटा भाई है. Now the next sentence. वह मेरे घर के पास रहती है. She lives near my house. So in this sentence, tell me which is the pronoun? वह मेरे घर के पास रहती है. वह, she lives near my house. So she. So in the same sentence, in some like a small para, you can see noun also. Yes, adjective also, pronoun also. And in the place of Sita, I have used uska, vah. Yes, so these are pronoun which is used in the place of noun, that is pronoun, and the word which is telling the speciality of the noun, that is a adjective. Everyone is clear now? Yes, clear about the noun, pronoun and adjective? Clear? How to identify in the sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
No doubts, ma'am.
Very good. I love that you actively participated in the activity. Everyone answered very well. So, one big star for all those who have actively participated and replied, whether it's right or wrong, but you have to participate in when the teacher is teaching and asking the questions. Very good. I am very happy. Yes. So big star for all of you. So clap for yourself. So this is your assessment portion. So practice every day. Okay, dear? Yes, it's time. So time is going to end now. So any doubts regarding?
Bye, ma'am. Jai Guru, ma'am.
Any doubts regarding pronoun?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No doubt. Yes, everyone is clear.
Ma'am.